niche, you have understanding what you want to do, you have understanding what your videos will be about, but now you need to go and think of types of the videos that you will create for your channel. Actually, unlike the niche, you can mix and match types of the videos that you will create on your channels, because if the niche is far more important than type, but if you stick to the one type of the video, it's even better, because people will have a certain expectations for your videos, and from now on they will trust your videos more and they will know what to expect from a video. So we're going to talk about three types of videos, and we're going to go through them in depth right now. So first, let's start with an educational videos. Educational type of videos, it is very prevalent on YouTube. There are a lot of videos on YouTube that talk about education, and many people are actually getting on YouTube for an educational video. So what these videos are, let's go through their parameters. So educational videos educates you about the topic of the video or about the channel. So that means that after this video, the individual that watches your video will go away with a certain skill or certain knowledge. You see, educational videos are very mistaken for informational videos, and informational videos is a separate type of videos that we're going to talk. But unlike informational videos, this gives you a long-term education about the certain topic. This thing is not related to the things that is happening in an immediate time around you or in immediate place. This is more long-term and gives you knowledge rather than information. You have to be very distinctive with these educational videos from informational videos. It can be about any topic. Educational videos are very broad. It can be made about any topic that you want. Educational videos about gaming? No problem. Create guides and tips and tricks for the education for the certain game. You want to have about tech? Teach how to use computer, how to use microphone, how to use camera. Want to go about beauty? Know how to learn how to teach how to make how to apply makeup, how to choose better clothes, etc. It's all educational videos, and viewers should learn something by the end of the video. That is very important. It should be a long-term knowledge that they will attain. The best thing about educational videos is that it is more long-term content, evergreen content that people are calling it, and that is very good type of content, because no matter when you upload it, it might give you views years maybe down the line. There are videos that I've seen that people are searching for, and there are years down the line that's still generating views, or even they will start generating views more and more with the time. Usually videos are generating maximum of views at the beginning, and then it will just stably go down. But educational videos usually are completely different, because they are generating more and more views later down the line. They go up and then they peak, they plateau, and they go down. That's what they do. This is very good type of content at the beginning, at least, because educational videos are actually very good searchable content as well. People are searching for these types of videos, and these contents are actually low risk and medium reward. You cannot go wrong with an educational videos, because people, if people are actually getting some value, this is the most value giving for the viewers content on YouTube. This is most value giving, and this is the lowest risk for you, because it's easy. People will go get information and go away, or will search for more information and subscribe. And this is medium reward, because people who usually find educational videos, they're specifically looking for them, and they're specifically looking for the specific video, but not for the niche or the topic. So usually when they watch this video, they go away. But because it's easily searchable, it's going through the medium reward type. Very good video type if you want to start a YouTube channel. Very good video for the starters. Next is entertainment videos. This type of videos is made for the entertainment, basically to entertain the viewers. It can be about any topic, and probably the most popular on YouTube is the vlog type of videos. They are entertainment videos, whatever you think or not, this or not. Vlogs are entertainment type of videos because people are watching them not to gain knowledge, not to gain information. They want to entertain themselves. Like the skits, funny videos, the funny montages. These are all entertainment videos. These are the videos that's main goal is to retain viewers' attention and entertain while doing it. This is very, very important thing. You need to retain the viewers' attention. It is very hard to retain viewers' attention with an entertainment video, and you need very specific skills to do so. And usually, majority of the people are getting with an entertainment videos on YouTube, but not the majority of the viewers are coming for an entertainment on YouTube. At least not anymore. In the past, majority of the people were coming for entertainment. Right now, not like it's 50-50 between all the story, not 50-50, like one third for each and every type of videos, on average at least. And it is more long-term content as well, but unlike the educational videos, it is not easily searchable content. It's not searchable, but it is easily discoverable because YouTube algorithm is usually very good at showing people those entertainment videos that other people actually found out very funny and retained their attention, and the people that are entertained. But there is very big asterisk here because a lot of people are actually creating those type of videos. The entertainment videos are way too many on YouTube, and because of that it is more higher risk, because you have a higher risk that your videos will not get discovered at all, because your videos, entertainment videos, are very difficult to search because it's about your idea, about your stuff, about the things that you find entertaining, or about the things that you decided that is entertaining. And for that reason, it is very difficult to find those content. It has a very difficult keywords. People will not know exactly what to look for, and for that reason you're heavily reliant on sharing your content, and you're heavily reliant on YouTube's algorithm for people to find these videos. And for that reason, it is very, very high risk, and it's still medium reward because of that. If your videos will go viral, and usually entertainment videos are only videos that go viral, educational videos are not going viral, entertainment videos are going viral. If it will go viral, yes, it is high reward, but it is rare. In the long term, it is not giving you high reward. In the long term, it's still a medium reward. I would call it calling it the same reward as an education. It's not correct. If the video will go viral, you'll go to medium high to high reward, yes, but because it is very high risk and it is very, very difficult to discover within entertainment videos, I would say it's a medium reward. Another thing that people that I did not talk about in the medium and the entertainment videos are actually majority of the gaming videos are entertainment videos, like absolute majority. The gameplays are entertainment videos, and those videos are actually having gaming videos are easier to discover because they're easier to find, because people will know exactly what they're looking for. But again, because very high competition, the risk is still pretty high. Okay, last type of video that I'm going to talk about is informational videos. It is different from educational videos because it is made to inform viewers about particular topic. I would not say the topic, I would say the news, but to give you more better understanding, it's better to change the word topic for event. It's made to inform people about particular event rather than topic. Event that is happening right now or happening in the near past or the near future, just to give you the information. For example, if you're making video about a topic that is happening in the near past, past. For example, probably some situation about government changes and stuff, etc., that is happening right now, or was happening just not a really long time ago, and it still affects our day-to-day life right now in a big time. Then it's informational video. But if you're talking about World War II, even though it was an informational type information back when it was happening, right now it is an educational type, because it's past, its results have been cemented in the past, and right now we are living in the world where this thing will not change. World War II will not change. And this is the very, very big event that cannot be changed. It will transform into the educational type. While informational type is a thing that is about event that is happening right now, or in the near past or the near future. It can be about any topic, absolutely any topic. There is no limitation in that. It can be about tech, about gaming, about beauty, anything. It can be about anything. It's different from educational videos. Again, it is different from educational videos, and it is more short-term content, unlike entertainment and educational videos, because the events are happening right now and people are interested in these topics right now, and it is high risk, high reward, because a lot of people are interested in information that is happening right at this moment. And it is high risk because you will have to constantly create content about new information constantly, and you will have to compete against more, let's say, high prestige like outlets, for example, like TVs, or about the bigger channels or something like that. It is far more difficult to compete with them, and that's why it is high risk. But the reward is high as well, because you are getting bunch and bunch of views in a really, really short amount of time. But again, it is not a long term, and usually the videos that got maybe hundreds of thousands views just a day ago will get maybe 20 to 50 views like in just a week later or something like that. It's going down really, really, really quickly, and you have to realize that. You have to understand that these types of videos is not exhaustive. It's a usual and regular types of videos. You can come up with any other type of videos, or you can mix and match all this things together. You can create a videos that is at the same time informational, educational, and entertaining, and there are a bunch of examples of like that. And these videos that are mixing together are usually an amazing thing, and probably the amazing thing will be to mix entertainment with educational, or mix entertainment with informational, because these types of videos are great, not just to provide individual with an information or knowledge, but it is great to retain their attention for a really, really long time, and just to entertain them as well. As an example, probably the big example that I can give you, it's not actually a YouTube thing, but it's on the YouTube as well. For example, late night show by John Oliver, which is providing you with an information that is happening right now, but in an entertainment thing, like in a comedy show style or something like that, or daily show on Comedy Central, for example, which is providing you the information in an entertainment manner. They are working the best, and that's what you should concentrate on. Choose your best type of video and focus on that, or maybe come up with another type of video, whatever you see fit. So this will be it for now. Let's go to the next one.